Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the f? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what the f? What the f? Whoa! Nope.
Hey, sir.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey, sir.
Hey!
Hey, I'm telling
Hey! I got his license plate. I got his plate. No, we're parked. We're parked right now. Right here on Cottonwood. He's in the car. I'm not sure if he's gonna jump off again. Yes, right before the intersection of Frederick. We're on Cottonwood. He's parked on the side curb. Eastbound. Yeah, he's actually trying to talk to me, but I'm keeping my distance. Looks like he's under the influence. Stay back. Stay back. No, stay back.
I was wrong. I mean, I ain't denying nothing. I was wrong.
Well, you should have stopped back there, man, when you hit those two cars, bro.
I'm just saying, man, don't go with all this shit. I'm just saying I was wrong. I mean, what else can I
Okay, if you were wrong, why didn't you stop?
I was wrong, man. What you else want me to say?
I wanted you to stop over there. You hit two cars, bro.
You right, man. You right.
Of course I'm right. The right thing you should have done was stay right there.
Man, you right. I should. That's all it is, man.
Fucking. Look! Can you please look? Right then left. Fucking hell. Bag up, bag up. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
It's just. Roll down your window. You know you just blew through a stop sign. Yes, sir, you did. There's a stop sign right there. You rolled right through it. Yes, there is. There's a stop sign right where I was. You rolled right through it. Stop sign's right there. Keep your eyes open, because if I had been in motion, you'd have ran me over.
What the hell you doing, man? I'm not gonna touch your car. I'm not gonna touch your car. Drive a little bit more safely, please. It's a 30-mile-an-hour road. What? Because you were driving dangerously near me.
Gonna tear it all down.
Rotatory. Rotatory. Rotatory.
Cur desses.
¿Cuál es tu problema, loco?
¿Eh?
¿Cuál es tu problema?
No sé cuál es tu problema.
Ponte pendejo. Que vea. Te freyó, cabrón. Hostia.
You what? What do you mean? What am I doing? Don't sit fucking close to me then, you ginger. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then, dickhead.
Whoa, 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 calm down. Off. Mother cunt. Calm down, look forward. Shit. That coach ain't gonna still try and come as well, is it? What a wanker. Whoa! Calm down! You jumped the f***ing lights! Oi! Oi!
Excuse me, the kid on the bike then, which way did he go? Because that bike's stolen. Up, just up straight, cheers, thanks. That's my friend's bike. Yes.
I've just bought it off my mate.
Right, it's stolen.
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 Fuck off.
Stolen.
Just give me 100 quid for it.
It's stolen.
Fuck off.
Not kidding.
Where's the stand for it? I'm gonna ring him now. Stolen, yeah.
Stolen. Yeah, mate. Right, stop there.
Can you put it up for me?
Yeah, that's my friend's.
We'll ring him now, pal. Sorry about this. Proszę, pulę weźmy! Gdzie weźmy? Gdzie weź?
you fucking kidding me? You fucking hit me! You hit me, you fucker! You stay! You hit me, you fucker! You hit me! I have it on camera, you cunt!
Huevón, ¿cómo se te ocurre, weón? Párate ahí. Párate ahí. Shit. Damn it. Mother. Shit. You sucker.